Hi there, welcome back to Diamond Ridge Studios, and I am finally back to making YouTube videos. In this video is basically going to be a big update and what I plan to do for the future with this channel. And to start out, as usual, my studio desk is a mess, so we are going to start out by cleaning my studio as usual. Okay, so this is the part of the video where I'm going to be explaining kind of what exactly happened over the past year and why I stopped uploading videos for a year and then some. So pretty much what happened was I just kind of lost the inspiration, I guess, to film what I'm doing. I mean, I still did customizing for another month or so, and I did kind of keep it up on my Instagram and all that. But it was just kind of like a lot of pressure that I put on myself to come up with something unique that everybody else wasn't doing. And so I just kind of ran out of like things I was comfortable with, because I haven't been customizing for a terribly long time, only I think a year before I started my channel. So it wasn't like I have had years and years of experience and I had loads of stuff to pull upon. I just kind of started running out of ideas of what I wanted to film and what you guys would want to see. So I decided to kind of take a break from YouTube. I was originally planning for it to be like a month-long break for me to kind of really hone in on my skills and figure out what I exactly wanted to show you guys. But that kind of backfired as I grew a lot more busy. As some of you probably know, I play electric guitar, and I recently, right after I kind of took a break, I joined a band, and then I kind of put all my strength into that and riding my real horse. And so that kind of overtook my life from June onward. And then pretty much I kind of just forgot about it in a way. It just wasn't a big part of my life at the time, and guitar was really what I focused on. And then I kind of got really busy with film in the fall when I would have probably started up again. And then I just kind of went back to the band stuff, and it just kind of tumbled into a, oh well, now it's been a year. And so hopefully, I mean, I hope to be back officially, kind of speaking, and I'm really, really thankful for all the support you guys have given to like my Dark Bay tutorial and all that, because that's really inspiring to me that what I'm doing is actually helping people rather than just kind of like a, I don't know, oh just fluffy, here's how to paint a Dark Bay, but really you can't do it. It's actually seems to be helping people paint their own models, which is really cool. What I plan on doing for future uploads is I'm going to try to take a little bit of the pressure off myself and do a video every 1 to 2 weeks-ish. And maybe if I really start getting the inspiration, I'll do kind of like I used to do every Wednesday or every Sunday plus the last Wednesday of every month. But that was a lot. So probably not quite to that extreme yet. but maybe someday. Depends on what happens. And so the types of videos I'm going to be doing, kind of the same as always. I think I'm going to focus a little bit more on the tutorial aspect of everything because that's what you guys really seem to enjoy and what you guys find the most useful. And then the occasional like unboxing video when I get new bars, which is very occasional now. And probably, I don't know, reviews. You guys seem to like those too and you find them helpful where like I'm like, okay, well I'm going to try out Pearlix pigments or something, and then I review it, and then I kind of try it out for the first time. And I probably will also do the occasional vlog or something, depends on how much you guys really like them. I find them fun, and I find like it really just is kind of not easy, but it's like a simpler form rather than trying to do a tutorial, because what you don't see is the tutorials are every day I'm working on that horse and filming exactly what I'm doing, and then it takes a good while to edit. Much that's what I have planned. And I mean, if you guys want to see like collection tours or something like that, I'd be happy to go there, and pretty much whatever you guys really want to see, feel free to leave a comment below of what kind of videos you'd like to see, what kind of stuff you have questions about. I'm not by any means a professional at this. I am kind of learning as I go, so I do not have all the answers, but I try, and I'm going to continue to further my education on what works and what I find useful, and just let me know if there's any kind of videos that you want to see. And so pretty much that's it for this video, so thank you so much if you watched all the way through, and feel free to follow me on Instagram, which will be right about here, which is at Diamond Ridge Studios, and also subscribe if you want, and because I'm planning on uploading it, as I said before, every 1 to 2 weeks, and maybe I'll go back to at least 1 a week, but we'll see. And also if you could like comment what videos you want to see, any questions, or any questions at all really, or just comments. It's the comment section. And so yeah, thank you, and I will see you in my next video, which will hopefully be out soon-ish, but that's it. Bye!